What is up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. We had to take a little bit of a break off on the weekend. It is so important that in these times, guys, all you need to do is stick to the plan and take a chill. We don't need to be stuck to the charts every single day now. Well, I know when it comes to our community, the Lex Money family, I don't know what I should call you guys, to be honest, but I know when it comes to us, right, watching the video right now, that really we haven't quit and we've stuck to the plan. And we're going to be the investors that actually do make money because we stick to the plan on the way in, we stick to the plan on the way out. But just a quick Monday reminder to never quit something with great long-term potential just because you can't deal with the stress of the moment. Many of you watching already have already made money from crypto, right? We're just here to keep on track of it. Some of you, this is your first time round and you're soon to make money. You're not going to make money if you quit, okay? Whether that is with crypto, whether that's with your business, whether that's with your relationship, whether that's with your health and fitness. If you quit, you're not going to get the results that you desire, guys. Now, it's like one of the most important months in crypto. Well, really one of the most important quarters, to be honest. If we have a bit of a red October, it's not the end of the world because we still got 3 months to go. Look at October's monthly candle is looking promising. Are we having a fake up to the upside? Then we have a fake down to the downside in the first week of October. Because a friendly reminder that the altcoin season index is forming a bullish inverse head and shoulders over 3.5 years and it's about to break out. Is this showing that money is going to be made in the next few weeks for the altcoin cycle indicator? It looks like it could be once we do break this neckline and then we do break up above 50 and 60 into altcoin season. More bullish indicators flashing. Bitcoin's current price action closely mirrors last year around this time. A fake death cross followed by a golden cross that triggered a 145% rally. Now, I don't know how to pronounce this. Ichimoku golden cross. Basically, the Ichimoku golden cross are highly significant indicators. And look where we were this time last September to October. Had a death cross, had a little fake out to the downside. And were you here for this? Let me know in the comments if you were here. Let me know in the comments as well right now. Just pause the video, please, because it helps the algorithm. It really does. Let me know how long you've been in crypto. When you got in crypto in this cycle, if this is your first one, don't feel embarrassed. Don't lie if this is your first cycle. Maybe you got in March and you're getting absolutely fingered right now. It's fine. We're all getting fingered together. But everybody was saying we're going back to 10K at around this 25K region. The same way everybody's saying that we're going to 44K right now. Well, Bit Elite seems to think it is going to happen. He says we've got 2 options. We've got 64K and full stop. 2019 style bounce before a collapse. Number 2, the constant repeat of double tops before big drops. You guys can let me know your opinions on that. But he reckons we're going all the way down to 44K. And don't worry, I've not only bookmarked this, but I've screenshotted it as well. Because when people do post these bear posts, I mean, they like to delete them quickly once they are invalidated. Okay, we don't delete anything over here. But it doesn't mean that we can't have some resistance above our head. We definitely can. We've got all types of resistance above our head. However, we've also got all types of support below our heads as well. After a brief deviation below, Bitcoin has reclaimed the Pi Cycle MA in orange, this little thing here. Since mid-September, Bitcoin hasn't needed to retest the Pi Cycle MA. The first time it did, we've held it as support, whereas it was resistance, resistance, resistance. New support. Lovely. And then when we come over to the DXY, guys, I mean, a bearish retest of the USDT dominance is textbook. USDT down equals BTC and altcoins up. Just wait as soon as it breaks down from the ascending broadening wedge. And usually these ascending broadening wedges do break to the downside. Not all the time, but most times they do break down to the downside, guys. Now, I want to ask you guys, which one is better? Ethereum or Solana? TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Correct, it is ICP. ICP is better when you are comparing Ethereum and Solana. Now, what the hell? Almost 100k dApp / smart contracts were created in under an hour. Who is cooking? Which Walter White is in the background cooking up some new dApps? Because look, we had a massive spike here. This is what we'd like to see. Obviously, we can't tell exactly what's being built right now, but if they are cooking some pretty cool apps in the background, or dApps, should I say, in the background, then you're going to start to see these smart contract canisters start to increase. Something else that is nice to see, ICP momentum alert. The number of ICP addresses with non-zero balances has been steadily growing since October the 1st. We're going to make it. October in full swing. It's clear that new ICP holders are on the rise. I don't know if October's in full swing, to be honest, guys. You know, we're still doing our thing. Now it's time for all ICP enthusiasts to unite and support each other's tweets. Let's spread the word, bring more people into ICP ecosystem. Again, if you're not part of the channel already, you're not subscribed, go do the thing. Go leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want. We're like 1.2 0.25k away from 10k subs, guys. That is absolutely crazy. And not only that, guys, I have to plug it because we are in October. We've done a week of October already. We're going to be allocating to the community pool pretty soon. We've got 3 weeks left, so we're going to be doing group calls to figure out what coins we need to allocate our community pool to. So if you want to be part of that, then again, it's only 42 quid to join. That 42 quid goes directly into the community pool. Then all the gains made off that gets allocated back to you. So if we make a 5-10x, then, you know, it's 5-10 months of free membership, right? Plus profit. So again, it is a no-brainer. A lot of guys and girls have joined over the past week or so. We're going to try and allocate this before the end of October, so make sure you go and do the thing and join today. But now back to ICP, top world assets by market cap: gold, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, Amazon, silver, Meta platforms, Bitcoin, ICP. Look at the growth potential. Look at the growth potential of Bitcoin alone. We are like so behind everything else, and we are one of the fastest growing assets in the world, guys. I mean, when you compare Bitcoin to the internet, the adoption is, I think it's like double or triple, maybe quadruple the rate of adoption compared to the actual internet, guys. Someone go and fact check that for me. I heard it earlier, something like that. Now altcoins is what the fuck we care about. Well, right now we have been in this massive channel for God knows how long. It's actually been 6 months. Disgusting. Okay, absolutely disgusting. All the way from March, we've had resistance, basically resistance, 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 resistance. Oh my fucking God, we broke out. And then we had resistance in the supply zone, which we tracked like a boss. Obviously, we're going to have resistance in there. Right at the top, we had massive resistance. Come back down. This resistance, is this turning into new support? Because if we hold the breakout, then boom, altcoin season is here. But right now, you can see we're wicking out of the supply zone. But now something forming in the ICP chart, guys. If you want to say that this was the bottom and then we go all the way to the top here, then you can see we're finding resistance at this 0.382 fib at $14.09, which is actually the breakout target of this pennant. If we say the bottom is in and we ignore the wicks to the upside and we just go by the candle body closes, then you can see here that the breakout target of this pennant is going to be the 0.618, okay, saying that this is going to be the floor at around $14. So when we do come to break out, I mean, maybe, you know, the end of October, November, December, the first week of December is pretty much the absolute peak. Is the breakout going to take us up to that $14 ICP? But like we said before, you know, as much as it's looking bullish, as much as it's looking good, I'm still not opposed to one last move down, and that could get us in this green circle. Guys, if we ever get in this green circle, forget all the noise online of everyone saying we're going to 44k. Even if we have a flush down to like 54, 55k, 56k, we gotta be buying our top altcoins in their support zones, guys, in their macro support zones that have been going for months. Okay, we have to do it. We have to stick to the plan, and we gotta ignore all the noise that's going to be coming into us for the next few weeks. But October been a bit of a rocky start. How do you guys think the month is going to end? That's it. If you made it this far, please be sure to support the channel by number 1, smashing that like button. Number 2, leave me a comment to let me know you got to the end. Number 3, subscribing, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.